Hello everybody, it's our last video about approximation. Approximate to the nearest decimal place. Okay, let's start our session. Here, he asked me to approximate each of the following to the nearest tenth. He can ask me to the nearest tenth, or to the nearest 0.1, or to the nearest 1/10, or to the nearest first decimal place. It's the same meaning. All of what I said, it's the same question. He asked me to the nearest tenth, exactly the same method to the nearest 0.1, exactly the same method to 1/10 and first decimal place. He asked for one thing. Keep in your head that approximation have the same method. So he asked to the nearest tenth, must know the name of each place. Here, let's take any example. Here, where the 10th place? Yes, 9. So circle the digit he asked for, underline the digit before, make the wall. Look, the underline digit. Rich or poor? Here is what? Rich. Right? Okay, so I will do what here? I just add 1. Just add 1 as we used to. 1 plus 9 equal 10, right? 0 in the decimal place, and we drop the decimal point and put 1 in whole place. So because we have zeros on the decimal part, ignore it, have no value. So 0.99 approximate to the nearest tenth is just 1. Okay, let's take any example such as this number. It's a big number, right? But he asked to approximate to the nearest tenth. Stick with our steps, please. Go to the tenth place. Where is the tenth place? 2? No, 2 in hundredth. This 2? No, this 2 in thousandth. Okay, must be 4. No, 4 unit. 2? No, 2 tenths, not tenths. 1 is 100. Okay, Mrs Rania, he asked to 10th place. Where is the 10th place? 10th place is 8. Circle 8, underline the digit before, make the wall, poor or rich, the underline digit. Yes, here is rich. Remember poor and remember rich. Poor is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay, rich is what? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Don't forget. Okay, back to our problem again. 2 is rich or poor? Yes, poor. Okay, so I will add 1 to 8. No, just keep all the digits before the wall. I just drop it as it is. What about the digits after the wall? Zeros, and in our case it's a decimal places. Ignore it. Okay, let's have last one. Here, to the nearest tenth. Here we have tenth. No, it's a mixed number. Convert it to decimal first. How can I convert a mixed number to a decimal? Just use friends. Just use what? Friends. 3/4. Have a friend to be a decimal? Yes. 4, the friend to be a decimal is 25. 4 times 25 equal 100. So I multiply by 25 in both terms. Keep the whole as it is, and just 3 times 25 equal 75. 4 times 25 equal 100. We have 2 zeros on the denominator, so we put decimal point after 2 places. Just count 1, 2 and put decimal point. Copy 9, okay, and copy the 2 numbers 1, 2 and put decimal point. Here we have a decimal number, right? So here I will do what? I will use the steps as it is to the nearest tens. Tens, underline the digit before, make the wall. 5 is reached, so I will add 1. It will be 9.8. Good luck, Junior 4.